They noticed my absence, before they understood its meaning. At first, it was subtle. Fewer reactions, shorter responses, a distance they could not explain. Then the realization settled in. I was no longer where they left me. That was when the messages started. Curiosity replaced confidence. Questions arrived, disguised as concern. Apologies appeared without responsibility. They wanted explanations. They wanted reassurance. They wanted to know where they stood. But access had already changed. When people betray you, they expect anger. They prepare for confrontation. They know how to manage emotion. What they do not prepare for is calm distance. Distance removes leverage. I responded politely, briefly, without emotion, not to punish them, but because I had nothing left to prove. Every word was measured, every interaction intentional. They expected me to return to old patterns, to explain myself, to justify my choices. I did none of it. Silence had already taught me the value of restraint. Now distance reinforced it. Their discomfort grew. The power dynamic shifted again. When you no longer seek validation, people feel it immediately. They sense the loss of control, even if they cannot name it. I understood then that closure is often requested by those who caused the wound, not those who healed from it. Closure soothes guilt. Distance preserves peace. I chose peace. They asked why I had changed. I did not answer. Change does not require explanation. Growth does not need approval. The more composed I remained, the more unsettled they became. Calm can be disarming when conflict is expected. They searched for reactions that no longer existed. That was the moment I fully understood the power of absence. Absence forces reflection. Silence invites self-examination. Distance reveals intention. I was no longer part of their narrative, and without my participation, the story they told about me began to collapse. They tried to re-enter my life through familiarity, through shared history, through obligation. None of it worked. I was no longer available to dysfunction. That realization unsettled them more than anger ever could, because anger keeps you connected. Distance ends the exchange. This was not revenge. This was resolution. I did not cut them off with hostility. I released them with clarity. And clarity creates boundaries that cannot be crossed without permission. By the time they understood I was truly gone, I was already standing somewhere else. Steady, unmoved, focused forward. The silence that once protected me had now transformed into distance, and distance became the final lesson they never expected to learn. One I did not need to explain, because it spoke for itself.